to turn on repost on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, simply scroll down in here till you find how others can interact with you. There, you'll find sharing and reuse. Click on sharing and reuse. Now, in here, you will find repost on posts and reels. Make sure it's turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side, which means it is turned on. After you do this, you will be able to repost posts or reels from Instagram. As you can see, there's a repost button. And this is how to turn on repost on Instagram, posts and reels. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.